Kiwi Pineapple Smoothie. Ingredients: 2 kiwi fruits, half cup pineapple chunks, half cup cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and coconut milk. Kiwi. Due to its fiber and fructose found in kiwi fruits, the glycemic index is extremely low. This means that eating this fruit will not increase blood sugar level significantly. It contains inositol necessary for controlling blood sugar levels in diabetics. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B1, folate, potassium, manganese, copper, selenium, iron, phosphorus. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Kiwi Pineapple Smoothie is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Low sugar smoothie ingredients: 8 ounce unsweetened soya milk, 1 cup spinach, apple pieces, 1/4 cup plain non-fat yogurt, 1 cup cooked oats, cooled, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Soya milk. Besides their supposed blood pressure lowering effects, isoflavones have been reported in some studies is to lower blood glucose and insulin levels. Spinach is an excellent source of many other antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese. Medical science knows that oxidative stress is a key contributor to numerous health problems including high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Apples are a great fruit option for diabetics. Some fruits contain a very high amount of carbohydrates that can cause high blood sugar levels in diabetics. Tend to contain less carbohydrates per serving and constitute excellent fruit options for all diabetics. Low-fat yogurt naturally contains both high-quality carbohydrates and protein, making it an excellent food for slowing or preventing an unhealthy rise in blood sugar. Studies also show that a diet high in calcium from yogurt and other calcium-rich foods is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Oatmeal to your diabetes diet include: it can help regulate blood sugar thanks to the high fiber and low glycemic index. It's heart healthy and can lower cholesterol. It may reduce the need for insulin injections or the amount of insulin injections needed. Chia seeds. Diabetes health food fans have been taking up chia seeds for years. Now, some studies show benefit for these seeds in diabetes. They are high in fiber, rich in healthy omega-3 fats, actually higher than salmon, and are also high in calcium and antioxidants. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. By taking this regularly, you can reduce diabetes in a very short period of time. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.